Come on, lads.
Alright, there you go.
Well.
Okay, hi, we're gonna start again.
Just keep rolling, John, and we can edit this.
No, start again.
Okay, so we're gonna show you all the computer parts and how to build them.
Oh my god.
Talk, just what?
No.
There's still... There's no point in talking. Okay, hi, we're gonna show you all the computer parts and how to put them together. Hi, and today we're going to show you all the computer parts and how to put them together. Right, you got it rolling?
Yeah, this one's open as usual.
Alright, stop it.
Hi, and seeing this one doesn't, you have to clip it in like so. And it stays in there. Why did you remove? Oh my god. I can't find which one it is.
Oh my god. Okay.
Do that bit again.
I'm it.
That's basically it. Oh, and they're not all red like this one. And that's it.
Put it together.
Huh?
Fuck it.
Huh?